In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed interactive Zoho Analytics charts inside Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have a live, interactive dashboard sitting right inside your CRM as a tab, so your team can explore insights without leaving their workflow. Start in Zoho CRM on the homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the same account that has access to your Zoho Analytics workspace. On the top bar, click the grid icon with 9 dots next to your profile, then choose Analytics. This opens Zoho Analytics in a new tab, where we'll grab a link to the dashboard you want to embed. In Zoho Analytics, head to your dashboard section and open the dashboard you want to display in CRM. I'll use an annual revenue analysis dashboard as the example, but you can choose any published dashboard you use for reporting. To get the link, click Share in the top right, then pick URL or Permalink. Copy the generated link. This link preserves interactivity, so filters, drill downs, and hover details continue to work inside CRM as long as the viewer has permission in Analytics. If teammates can't see the dashboard later, it's usually a permissions issue, so ensure they have at least view access in the Analytics workspace. Now switch back to Zoho CRM and click the Setup Gear icon in the top right. Under Customization, open Modules and Fields, then select Web Tabs. Web tabs let you place an external page inside CRM as a first-class tab, which is perfect for analytics content your team needs every day. Click New Tab. Give the tab a clear, recognizable name so users know what they're opening. For example, Revenue Dashboard or Sales Analytics. Choose the Links option as the content type. In the link field, paste the URL you copied from Zoho Analytics. This tells CRM to render that dashboard directly in the tab. When you're happy with the name and link, click Save. You'll now see your new tab in the CRM navigation. Open it to confirm everything loads. The embedded dashboard should remain fully interactive. Apply filters, drill into charts, and hover for details just like you would in Zoho Analytics. If the page appears blank or partially blocked, try a quick refresh and make sure your browser allows the page to load within CRM. Because the data is live, your team will always see the latest numbers without switching apps. That's it. You copied the permalink from Zoho Analytics, created a web tab in CRM, and embedded the dashboard for seamless, interactive reporting. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.